In this video, I'll show you two ways to fix the authorization failed error when logging into MetaTrader 5 on your iPhone. Let's start with the first solution. Open the Settings app on your iPhone, tap General, and then select iPhone Storage. Scroll through the list of apps and select MetaTrader 5. If you have many applications installed, it may take a moment to appear. Next, tap Offload App and confirm your choice. This removes the app while keeping its documents and data on your iPhone. Once the process is complete, tap Reinstall App and wait for MetaTrader 5 to be installed again. Now, open MetaTrader 5 and try logging into your account. If the error continues, try the second solution. Inside MetaTrader 5, tap Settings, select New Account, and then choose Login to an existing account. Search for your broker and carefully select the correct trading server. For example, make sure you choose the right demo or live server for your account. Next, manually enter your account number and trading password. Double-check the information for typing mistakes, extra spaces, or incorrect characters. Also, remember that you need to use your MetaTrader 5 trading credentials, not the login details for your broker's website. After checking everything, tap Sign In. If you still see the authorization error, contact your broker to confirm your account number, password, and server information. And that's how you can fix the MetaTrader 5 authorization failed login error on an iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more useful tutorials.